It is an advanced, multi-mission, tandem-rotor helicopter. Heavy lift dominance. The H-47 Chinook is the heavy-lift helicopter of choice for the U.S. Army and 20 international operators. It is an advanced, multi-mission, tandem-rotor helicopter, proven in cargo and troop transport, search and rescue, casualty evacuation, special operations. The design also allows the Chinook to fly at up to 20,000 feet, higher than other helicopters in its class. It contains a fully integrated, digital cockpit management system. The common avionics architecture system cockpit paired with a digital automatic flight control system.